Plotting the stress hotspots. What does it do exactly? Well, when you're using mesh control for very fine elements that would cause very high stress concentrations, the hotspot identifies singularities in the nodes where it essentially breaks the Solidworks calculation mathematical model. So it separates it from a normal stress concentration of adjacent nodes to mark it as an element going to infinity stress values, which we don't want. So let's say we have a mesh already ran. Let's go ahead and apply a mesh control to see if we can cause some singularities. So we are going to select this edge where our stress concentration would be on this aluminum bracket here. We're going to set this to very fine, which let's bring this all the way down to like 0.005 and create that. So we have a very small element size around this edge where the stress will plot that or along that sharp edge. Go ahead and run this step now. We'll get some enormous stress concentrations and singularities. We'll plot along this edge here. The stress results are in. We're currently looking at the von Mises. We have a max probe value of, what is that? 101 KSI. Very high stress value. So now what we're going to do, let me pull this out a little bit, this ribbon here, if I can select it. We're going to right click our results, stress hotspot diagnostics. Here we can set our sensitivity factor. We'll leave that to 25, and we're going to click run. Here it's detecting singularities to watch out for. It says stress hotspots detected. The highest stresses observed in certain regions may indicate singularities. Those values diverging to infinity, and if the hotspots are near sharp reentry corners, consider rounding the edges with fillets. So to avoid this, to lessen the concentration, we could apply a fillet, obviously, to that edge there. Select OK. Here we can adjust some more settings if we want. It marks the singularities in gray, so we can see those gray singularities all along this edge. We can isolate it if we want. So there you go. I like this view better. It's a cleaner look to see where the singularities are. And you can see with this mesh control, it's created, we have essentially broken the solver. These are all nodes that go to infinity singularities. So that's just how another little useful tip in identifying singularities versus the actual stress concentrations. Be careful always along sharp edges. Use fillets in your design whenever possible. And that's all I got for you today. Like the video, share with friends, subscribe to the channel.